Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to create a shared folder in Google Drive on Android. Now this comes in handy if you're looking to share large video files, for instance, with someone, and you don't want to send it through email because you can only send like 30 seconds of a video through email. To do this, the first thing you're going to do is go to the Google folder. If you don't see it on your home screen, scroll up to go to your apps, and then go to the Google folder, go to Drive. Once you're in Google Drive, you're going to click on the plus icon in the bottom right, and then go to Folder. It says Untitled Folder, backspace that. I'm just going to call it Test 1, so capital T-E-S-T 1. Once you have the name of the folder typed in, you can click Create. And here we have it here. As you can see, it says Test 1, and it doesn't currently show a person icon or anything in the folder. That's because it's currently empty. Now we're going to click on the folder, click on the three dots in the top right-hand corner, and go to Manage Access. So it says People with Access, Cayla Wood, and it gives my email address for one account. Now, to make this simple and so that I'm not giving you access to somebody else's email address, I'm just going to use two email addresses that I have and share the folder with myself. And it says owner underneath my email address because I'm the one that created the folder. And then we have general access. It's currently set to restricted. Only people added can open the link. And if you click on change, again we have restricted. If you click on the arrow to the right of it, you can change it to anyone with the link. I'm going to leave it as restricted. So I'm going to go back and back again. Now we're going to click on the little person icon with a plus symbol beside it to the right. Add people or groups. Type the email address or the person's name that you want to add to the folder. I'm going to go with an email address. So I'm going to type how, H-O-W. Click on the email address or the person's name that you want to add. Now you can go ahead and add another email address if you want. I'm just going to stick with the one for now. And then under the email address that we just added, it says editor, and it has a drop down arrow. If you click on the drop down arrow, it says viewer, commenter, or editor. Editor says organize, add, and edit files. So I'm going to leave it as that. And then we have notify people checked off. That makes sure that anyone that you add to the folder will get an email letting them know they've been added to the folder. So I'm going to leave that checked off. And then under that, you have the option to type a message. I'm not going to bother with that, but you can certainly type a message if you want. Once you have all the email addresses that you want added or the people you want added, then you're going to click on the send icon in the top right next to the three dots. Access updated. Alright, so I got my email letting me know that I've been added to this folder. I'm not going to check that right now. Instead, I'm actually going to add an item to the folder. To do that, since we're already in the folder, it says this folder is empty. So we're going to click on the plus icon in the bottom right. From here you can add Google Slides, Google Sheets, Google Docs, Scan, Upload, or Folder. Now I'm going to go with Upload so that I can add one of my videos to this folder. So I'm going to click on Upload. Now it's currently set to Recent Files, but you can change it to Images, Audio, Videos, Documents, Large Files, This Week. Or if you click on the three lines in the top left, you can add images, videos, audio, documents, downloads. You can go from Gallery, My Files, OneDrive, Photos, or Sound Picker. I'm just going to leave it on Recent since the video I want to add is in Recent. So I'm just going to add my most recent YouTube video that I uploaded. So I'm going to click on it. Upload to Drive. It shows you the file name, the location, which is currently Test 1, and the account that you're sending it from. It should show the email for that account. To upload it, simply click Upload. Less than a minute remaining. So it's uploaded. Now, depending on how large the file is that you're adding to the folder, it might take a little bit of time before you can actually view the file. I know this is especially true for long videos. So I'm going to click on it. Hey guys, today I'm going to... There's the video there. So we've added a file to the folder. So I'm going to go back and I'm actually going to close out of Google Drive for now. I'm going to open the email that I received on my other account, and I'm going to show you guys what to do on the other end if you're the recipient of this shared folder, not the creator. So if you're the recipient, you're going to open your email. So I'm just going to click on it. It says folder shared with you, test 1. Cayla Wood shared a folder. And it shows my name and email address, has invited you to contribute to the following shared folder, test 1. So you're going to click on open, and that should automatically open the folder in Google Drive. Now, if you want to add something from your end, all you have to do is click on the plus icon in the bottom right. Once again, you can select Google Slides, Google Sheets, Google Docs, scan, upload, or folder. I'm going to go with upload. And I'm just going to go with the first picture that I have. Again, it shows the file name and the file location, which is test 1. And it shows the email address that I'm adding it from. And then when you're done, click on upload. There we go. So now I have a video and an image in the shared folder. And I shared a video from one account and an image from the other. So I'm going to go back. Alright, now I'm going to close Google Drive. So that is how you share a folder with someone using Google Drive on Android. Be sure to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any future videos. And I will see you in my next video.